God!
What are you doing? What are you doing? That's our fucking target.
Something's not right with her. She's gonna give birth to like the Antichrist, and y'all just want her to live.
Yeah.
You know,
I think I've lived too long, man.
some people
I'm
think
for
that the
real.
3 legs is better. Oh, she's dead.
Yeah, our mission's clearly failed now. So,
That's one of the AIs that we can like partner with and will do shit for us.
Nice going.
All my time of playing the forest. I'm sorry. I saw 3 legs, 3 arms, and I was like, kill it.
It doesn't belong to
Alright.
humanity.
There was no
Moving
AI,
on.
so it was instant.
That felt just.
Oh my god, kill.
Wait, are you building the foundation with half logs?
No.
Oh, they're just like sunken into the ground.
Yeah.
I heard something bark.
I just watched that.
That's what I imagine the character sounds like. So makes.
oh, there's a shark.
Oh.
It's dead, guys. It's dead.
And game.
Whoa.
What's happening?
I'm down.
Shit, I'm stuck in my inventory.
He's
Holy shit, he's armored!
Oh, good luck. That's so bullshit. And there he goes. Oh!
All that armor for 1 gunshot.
for real.
Yeah, what the fuck? I didn't even see this guy.
Uh-oh.
There's babies too.
Oh, he got a hit on me. Don't mind if I do take your
Never
skin.
want to miss out on your skinning. What? You're just a damn baby. I'm about to die.
Thank you. Yeah, thanks for getting me up first. I'm more important than him. He started going downstream. He looked so
I
mad.
just picked up the first person it popped up with. Oh my lord.
Look how stupid this is.
Oh
I don't
my
want to hear you talk
Lanta.
about stupid right now.
I need a res. Res and go hand in hand.
What? Oh, you have a torch.
Alan's an arsonist.
Alan's an arsonist.
Yeah, I'm not the one fucking. He lived. He got set on fire.
Hey,
and
somebody's
stunned.
watching us. Just the bang in the distance.
I'm gonna fucking.
Oh shit, I'm so low.
Watson, cinder block.
I'm dead.
Holy
They don't
shit.
feel it. They don't fucking feel it. Oh, there's a big guy.
Uh-oh.
Back up, buddy. Oh my god.
Oh!
He's still alive.
Oh, shit! Come back up!
Oh my god, help me. Help me. Oh. He's still alive. He's still alive. Put it up.
Holy shit!
Your ass up so I can grab his fanny pack. Oh my
He's still alive. Did I just hear a gunshot from the cannibals?
Oh shit! I look to my left and there's just like a dude in a latex. Go get reinforcements. We might want to leave.
Guys, maybe we should go.
Yeah. Let me take some pills and I'll be ready to. Ow!
It's so funny throwing the logs.
Woman! Oh, she's crying over her love.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Holy shit. Yeah, he is a fat ass.
I'm on my way. Get up here, come on.
His eyes are bulging. Oh!
Stop resisting! It's so bad.
Why are
Does
they
modern
listening to
just been
this?
shitty?
Yes.
Bro, this series of beats, like, very fake drum noises.
Kill the wife,
There's a
steal
slap
wife.
start.
Dismember wife.
Certain things Jax is starting to have a mental alter because of this game. They're gonna link.
Holy shit, where did that come from?
They're gonna